In this video, I'll teach you how to teach a live online lesson with a student using Skype so that you can see both your student and the off-to-class lesson material together at the same time in a way that works perfectly. Here's how to set it up. To teach a student online with Skype, the first thing that I'll need to do is launch a lesson and enroll a student. So I'll choose the student that I'd like to enroll. And now that the classroom is open, my next step is to open Skype, select the student that I would like to teach, and place a video call. All right, now my student has answered the call. My student's camera is not on, but I can see their avatar in the corner. And what I'll do to make sure that I can see both my student and the lesson material is I will minimize the Skype window. At the top left, there's a horizontal line. It's in a yellow circle on an apple. And on a Windows computer, it will be at the top right, but it will also be a horizontal line. So by clicking on this horizontal line, it will minimize the video window. And now that it's minimized, I can see the avatar of my student. If my student has their camera on, I will see my student's video feed here. But the important thing is that now I can move my student's video feed anywhere that I want, and it will stay on top of the lesson material. So even when I click back on the lesson and move through the slides, the video feed from my student will remain on top, and I can place it on the top, on the bottom, anywhere that's convenient for me, and so just so that it's out of the way. But this will allow me to do an online lesson with Skype where I can both see my student and I can see the lesson materials. And it will be the same thing for my student. I can tell my student to minimize their Skype window, and that way when they log into Off to Class, they will be able to see me and also see the lesson material.